Alexa, play something groovy.
Playing funk mix.
Get it, buddy! You're stealing the show again.
Can I get some barbecue ribs?
Ribs? Good choice. Very manly.
And extra sauce, please.
Extra sauce? You want to swim in it?
Yeah, I like sauce.
Same. Pour it like a river.
Nurse, you're my medicine.
Your medicine? For what?
Loneliness.
Oh, really?
Take me 2 times daily.
You're impossible!
Hey, nurse. You look shiny today.
Shiny? You mean pretty?
No, shining. My eye's hurting.
Oh, really?
Yes, come close. I check again.
Stop it!
Hey, nurse, you checking my heartbeat or your own?
Stop it! You're too much!
If flirting was medicine, I'd be the doctor today.
You're impossible!
Give me 1 smile, free treatment for you.
Okay, fine.
Now! Just a sec! Give me 10!
Yes, sir!
1, 2,
You call that pushing earth? Drop lower, I'll pluck every one of you!
4,
Mountain climbers, move!
Yes, sir!
Faster! I can flap quicker than that and I got no knees! Hold plank! Don't let that belly touch daylight!
Holy sir!
Nurse, I need medicine.
What medicine do you think you need?
Something for a racing heart.
Oh, why is it racing?
Because you walked in. That's why.
You're unbelievable, little flirt.
Don't discharge me today.
Why not? You're perfectly healthy.
Exactly. I'm healthy because of you.
That's sweet, but not a reason to stay.
It is for me. I like you too much.
You're impossible.
Nurse, I need an injection.
What kind of injection?
A love injection.
A love injection? That's not real.
It is when it comes from you.
Oh, you're too smooth. Where did you go? You're feeling it today, huh? Oh my goodness. All right, superstar. Alexa, play the music. He's feeling it.
Granny, when's the last time you ran? 1972?
Excuse me? I can still move.
Yeah. In slow motion.
You disrespectful bird.
I'm just speaking facts, antique edition.
I'm gonna put you in timeout!
Nurse, can you check my heart?
Why? Are you feeling something strange?
Yeah, it beats faster when you're here.
Oh wow, that's a new diagnosis.
Call it love syndrome.
You're unbelievable!
Studying hearts or subjects today?
Subjects, but one heart is distracting me.
Name the chapter and I'll summarize us.
Bold of you.
Not bold, highlighted, just like you in my notes.
Why are you staring at me?
Because you look expensive, but acting cheap.
What did you just say?
Relax, discount Barbie. Attitude state. Nurse, are you a bandage? Because my heart just got wrapped.
Oh, wow. You practiced that, didn't you?
Practice? I was born fluent in flirt.
Fluid or not, you're making patients jealous now.
They can stare. You're still my care.
Alexa, play something with a good beat.
Playing upbeat mix.
Where did you go, buddy?
Nurse, are you oxygen? Because I can't breathe.
Oh, really? You look fine to me.
I only look fine when you're in the room.
Someone's been practicing.
Practicing? This is just my natural talent. For you.
Okay, Heart Stealer, calm down.
There! Yeah, go ahead. Is that tea hot, or did you just walk in?
You really compare me to boiling water?
No. Boiling water wishes it had your glow.
Stop! I have shifts to survive.
I can be your night shift highlight.
Okay, little doctor.
Alexa, play the music.
Playing your dance mix.
Okay, nurse. Heart monitor or love radar?
Monitor, obviously.
And why is mine beeping when you walk by? Careful. CPR might turn into PDA.
Oh, please.
Nurse, upgrade my chart to love file.
Love file? That's not medical.
Symptoms trending. Data shows romantic spike.
You're a handful, you know that?
Prescription you signed. Cardiac wings emoji approved.
Wings emoji? You're absurdly charming.
Doctor, your smile has better cure than your medicines.
Really now?
Yes. My heart needs a daily checkup from you only.
You naughty bird.
Cute coat, but cuter doctor inside it.
Oh, God, you're impossible.
It's the best thing I've seen all week.